If you're having trouble with your Windows 11 laptop or PC randomly shutting down, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into some common solutions to fix that pesky automatic shutdown problem. So, let's get right into it. Alright, let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps that can often solve the issue. Make sure you follow each step carefully. Step 1 is to check if your PC is overheating. Overheating can cause the computer to shut down automatically to prevent damage. Here's how you can check and fix it. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, or you can simply right-click on the Start button and click on Task Manager. Now go to the Performance tab and check your CPU, GPU and memory usage. If any of them are consistently running at high percentages, overheating might be the culprit. To get more detailed temperature readings, you might need a third-party tool like HW Monitor. If your temperature are too high, ensure that your laptop or PC is well-ventilated area and consider cleaning out the dust from your fans and vents. Now, step 2 is to make sure all your devices are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause system instability. Let's update them. Open Device Manager by simply right-clicking on the Start button and clicking on Device Manager. Here, look for devices with a yellow triangle, which generally indicates a problem. Right-click on them and select Update Driver. Then you can choose Search Automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest version. Make sure to check for updates for all major components, including your graphics card and network adapters. Step 3 is to check for Windows Update. Microsoft frequently releases updates that address bugs and improve system stability. Open Settings by pressing Windows keys plus I, then navigate to Update and Security and click on Windows Update. Now click Check for updates and install any available updates. Then after, you need to restart your PC if necessary. Now again, go to Windows Security, which you can find on Privacy and Security, and go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Quick Scan or Full Scan for a more thorough check. Remove any threats that are detected and restart your PC. And there you have it, 6 steps to troubleshoot and fix automatic shutdown problems on Windows 11. If you've followed all these steps and are still experiencing issues, it might be worth considering a professional diagnostic or checking for hardware issues. Thanks for watching this video and I hope it was helpful to you.